Have you ever dreamed of riding in the lap of luxury? Well, buckle up because we are about to explore the top 5 best large luxury SUVs of 2024 and get a sneak peek in 2025. These vehicles are not just about looks. They have got the strength to haul heavy loads while treating you to super comfy leather seats. Sound exciting? Let's dive into the world of luxury on wheels and discover what these amazing SUVs have to offer. 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLS Class. First up, let's dive into the 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLS Class, priced between $87,000 and $145,000. This big SUV is perfect for those with big families or lots of friends to take along. It's a super comfy inside and packed with all cool gadgets you could ever imagine. Plus, it can easily fit 6 or 7 people, and if you need to carry lots of stuff, no worries, you can fold down the back seats and still have a plenty of room. It's like having a luxury room on wheels, ready to take you on all your adventures. 2024 Lincoln Navigator. Let's discuss the 2024 Lincoln Navigator, price between $82,000 and $300,000. This SUV is a true gem, cramming all the luxurious features you could anticipate from Lincoln high-end automobiles into a rugged SUV form factor. Glide down the road in complete ace, while still having the ability to tow large items if needed. Moreover, it comes with a plethora of fascinating amenities, such as seats that can be adjusted to an extreme degree and even a hands-free driving option. When cruising in such a stylish manner, who cares about gas mileage? The Navigator certainly knows how to make you feel like reality. 2024 Cadillac Escalade. Following that, let's talk about the 2024 Cadillac Escalade, priced between $83,000 and $100,000. This SUV is a true standout. Despite being in its third year of production, the Escalade continues to garner attention. It surpasses competitors with its comfortable ride, easy handling and powerful engine choices. That's why it's regarded as one of the most superior luxury SUVs on the market today. 2025 BMW X7. Now let's get started with the 2025 BMW X7. This luxurious SUV has a price tag of $84,000 and has received an amazing score of 9.5 out of 10, indicating that it's definitely impressive. Upon entering, you will feel like you are in the most comfortable living room on wheels. Equipped with some extremely powerful engines, driving it is an absolute joy. Plus, it's loaded with fascinating technology, making every ride a delightful experience. 2025 BMW X7. Lastly, let's talk about the 2025 BMW X7. It's a fancy SUV that's really powerful and looks cool, starting at around $162,000. It's a lot, but you get a lot of cool stuff with it. It's a super fast, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds, thanks to its 644 horsepower. Inside, it feels like you are in a fancy hotel, with really comfy seats and lots of fun gadgets to play with. In conclusion, luxury SUVs offer a mix of style and practicality. Whether you prefer the spacious comfort of the X7, the iconic look of the Cadillac Escalade, or tough elegance of Lincoln Navigator, there is something for everyone. These SUVs are great choices if you want both luxury and usefulness in a vehicle. So if you are thinking about getting one, remember to check out these top picks having driving. So friends, that's our today's video. If you think this video is helpful for you and it gives some knowledge about cars, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.